In the beginning, there was unity. Mnangagwa and Chiwenga, both veterans of the liberation struggle, were allies in the ruling ZANU-PF party. In 2017, they masterminded the coup that ousted longtime leader Robert Mugabe, with Mnangagwa taking the reins as president and Chiwenga his deputy. But the honeymoon was short-lived. 2 years later, in 2019, rumors of a rift began to circulate. Chiwenga, allegedly sidelined and stripped of his military command, was said to be plotting a counter-coup. The president, however, outmaneuvered him, consolidating his power and leaving Chiwenga out in the cold. Fast forward to 2024, and the rivalry has only intensified. Reports suggest that Chiwenga is now building his own power base, reaching out to disaffected ZANU-PF members and rallying opposition forces. Mnangagwa, for his part, is digging in, strengthening his grip on the party and the country. So what's next for these two political gladiators? Will the tension escalate into open conflict, or will they find a way to coexist in the shifting sands of Zimbabwean politics? To sum up, the relationship between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga has evolved from allies to rivals, with their power struggle threatening to destabilize Zimbabwe. The initial unity following the coup against Mugabe has given way to a deepening rift, marked by power plays and political intrigue. As of now, the situation remains volatile, with both men seemingly preparing for a showdown. This feud isn't just about two individuals, it's about the future of Zimbabwe. The country's stability hangs in the balance, and the actions of these two men could shape its destiny. So keep an eye on this space, because the next chapter in the Mnangagwa-Chiwenga saga is yet to be written.